If you're sailing on a 3 or 4 night cruise, you may be wondering how the dress code differs from a 7 night cruise. How many clothes do you really need to bring? Is it more casual? Well, I'm about to show you what I wore on my 4 night cruise to Mexico. Hi, I'm Kristen from the bargainchasingtourist.com. I've been cruising since 2000 and I actually worked on cruise ships for 5 years. So let's check out the clothes to bring on your 3 or 4 night cruise. Starting with Embark Day, I wore a breezy, breathable, midi length dress, which was comfortable for traveling and short enough that it didn't drag on the floor of the airplane bathroom. I added my floppy sun hat when we got to the port because as soon as we boarded, we headed straight to the pool for lunch and to be first on the water slides. I recommend bringing swimsuits in your carry on because the lines for the slides get longer as the cruise progresses. I headed to dinner the first night and caught the sunset in this maxi dress. Then onto the ice show where I froze. I recommend bringing a cardigan or shawl. During the day on board the ship, I wore my crochet dress for exploring or lounging, and it doubled as my swim cover up. On warm weather cruises, I always bring a comfortable casual outfit, which for me is a dress because I can throw it on easily to head to the Windjammer for breakfast or drop off my daughter at the kids club. The second night was dress to impress night, and I wore this maxi dress. I also wore the same neutral heel throughout the cruise. When cruising, if you want to step it up from a basic flat sandal, a narrow neutral heel pulls your outfit together and just makes it a little bit more sophisticated. Dream Pairs is my favorite brand of shoes on Amazon. They're made well, they're low cost. The neutral color is very versatile for your light colors, your tropical prints that you would wear on a beach destination cruise. The next day was a port day in Catalina Island. I wore this long tropical print dress with sandals, which was comfortable for exploring the town. The last day we stayed on the ship and had the pools to ourselves for the morning. I recommend bringing at least 2, if not 3 swimsuits because they take a long time to dry. Definitely bring a suit that will stay in place for water slides to avoid a wardrobe malfunction. The final night, I wore this crochet maxi dress, which I also wore for the flight home. Crochet made a comeback in the stores this year, and I definitely saw crochet this cruise from bags to dresses, which I love because crochet creates a timeless beach look. The dress code on this 4 day cruise is very casual. Even on Dress to Impress night, I didn't see really any enforced dress code. So if you're someone who doesn't want to dress up, then maybe this is a good option for you. But overall, I've noticed the trend on cruise ships since the pandemic, it's become a lot more casual. Overall, I liked that a 4 night cruise allowed me to pack light. I brought 5 dresses, my cover up dress, 2 swimsuits, and 2 pairs of shoes. But I do miss the old days of cruising when we had the opportunity to dress in more formal attire. I'm Kristen from the bargainchasingtourist.com. Let me know in the comments where you're cruising to next. And if you like this type of cruise content, make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you at sea.